TKCA, and my attendance number is 32. On the last day of our trip to Bali, my classmate and I from the TKC department visited the beach in the morning. We were very excited because it was our last opportunity to enjoy the beauty of Bali before returning home. When we arrived at Kuta Beach, we saw a beautiful view. The morning air was fresh and cool. The white sandy beach and the sound of the waves made the atmosphere very relaxing. We walked along the beach, took photos together, and enjoyed the scenery. We also spent time talking, joking, and having food with our friends. It was a happy moment because we could strengthen our friendship and create good memories together. After spending a few hours at the beach, we prepared to go home. Although our visit was short, it was a memorable experience. We was very happy to visit to the beach with my classmates, and I hope the visit Bali again in the future.